What's up, guys? We're here out on the farm. We're going to try and see if we can remove this Mazda B2600 back window without breaking it. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, here's what we're going to use. We got a couple plastic trim tools, I think they're called bone tools. They're used for windshield and trim and stuff like that. And what we got to do is we got to peel this seal back, and then we're going to push gently on the window outwards as we kind of walk that around the lip of the windshield, or the back window. So we're going to start in the top corner and work our way out and down.